We had a precaster client that was sort of in the formliner game, making their own formliners for their own use, and decided that they didn't want to do that anymore and shut down their operation. But they had a lot of open orders that they had to fill. So they came to us and asked if we could help them close down their plant, take some of their existing raw materials, and the most difficult part was to produce all of the orders they had while we were continuing to service our existing customers. But we were able to work double time and get the project done for them and help them out.
There was an architect we helped who needed to validate the constructability of the design. We recommended a solution to turn their design into reality. Other times, the architects might need a way to stretch the budget further. Again, we consulted with them, reviewing their design, looking for ways to save time, money, and make the project easier to construct.
A lot of times, the architects will design a mural with a certain number of reliefs, and they don't have a good idea of the impact of that cost of the formliner. And so on this particular job, we took their design, worked with them, modified their reliefs, and came up with a solution that not only looked just as good as their original design, but also saved them quite a bit of money.
We're thrilled to be able to make things easier for our clients, from helping them on a tough deadline, saving costs, or making installation easier.
If you're a contractor, we know how important price and schedule are to you. Most times you only require a quote. However, even then, a quick look from our engineer could see that we can offer a different product and it's going to reduce the price of the entire job and improve the schedule's time.
One thing that makes our service different is our ability to do custom metalwork in-house to deliver products that save our customer time and effort with material handling and installation. We take time to understand our customers' forming systems and custom build solutions that fit their environment. This makes installation and material handling easier and less expensive.
Our configurable manufacturing capabilities allow us to create custom formliners, large and small, for all your project needs.
With our capabilities, we're able to do large, full wall-size murals and customized designs to transform any concrete project into a work of art. As an innovative leader in this space, we have everything you need: patterns, textures, materials, design consultation, constructability, and more. For over 25 years, we've had the pleasure of providing high-quality custom formliner that transform boring concrete into aesthetically pleasing landscapes. We have 2 state-of-the-art locations strategically located throughout the country to help you save on transportation costs. Contact Spec Formliners today to make your next project a work of art.